Hello everyone, this side Basit Mandviwala from Kutchi ITI. Today we are making this video especially for those students who want to upgrade their career in masters and degrees while simultaneously doing job. So we have Suresh sir who is career coach. Further he will guide you. Sir please.
Thank you, sir. Basically, we have started this institution since 30 years ago. And today I just wanted to inform you there are many degree programs where students can pursue their degree while doing their job. There are many top universities. They have their online platform. Student can access all degree programs like MBA, BBA, BCA, that all programs can counsel from this institution. So students will get placement as well as support from this institution as well as university. So thank you and all the best for this journey.
Thank you sir. And we welcome all the students for career counseling. Contact details is also available on our screen. So do contact us. Thank you.